Managing a legal case following a car accident is typically a challenging and frequently demanding task. Critical mistake is not seeking medical attention. Delaying or neglecting treatment not only harms your health but weakens your claim. Insurers may use treatment gaps to dispute injury severity. To boost your settlement, seek immediate medical care, follow through, and document records. Prioritize both health and your claim. Don't underestimate immediate medical attention. Another mistake is providing recorded statements to the at-fault party's insurance company without legal guidance. Insurance adjusters may use your statements against you, twisting your words or exploiting any inconsistencies. It's advisable to consult with a personal injury attorney before discussing your case with the other party's insurance company. Before speaking to an insurance company, consult with one of our attorneys right now so you receive the settlement you deserve. Failing to gather evidence can also be detrimental to your case. Documenting the accident scene, taking photographs, gathering witness statements, and obtaining a copy of the police report can be vital for substantiating your claim. Without this evidence, you may find it hard as hell to prove liability or the extent of your injuries. Don't let crucial evidence slip through the cracks. Be thorough in documenting all aspects of the accident. Settling too quickly is also a common mistake. The rush to accept the first settlement offer can lead to accepting an amount that falls far short of covering your actual damages. Personal injury attorneys can help you assess the full extent of your injuries and negotiate for a fair settlement that considers both immediate and future costs. Don't let hasty decisions shortchange your recovery. Consult an attorney before accepting any settlement. Finally, underestimating the significance of legal representation is a terrible error. Personal injury attorneys have the expertise to navigate car accident complexities, defend your rights, negotiate with insurers, and litigate for the compensation you deserve. Don't face this alone. Consult our experienced attorneys to ensure your rights and maximize your settlement. In summary, avoiding these common car accident lawsuit mistakes is essential to ensuring a fair and just settlement. If you've experienced an accident, take these lessons to heart and act accordingly to protect your rights and financial recovery. Consult with our attorneys today to receive your settlement check.